Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stop emails from going into spam in Yahoo. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to the Yahoo login page. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Yahoo mail inbox. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From this menu, select More Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can control your email configurations in more detail. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find an option called Filters. On Filters, and then select Add New Filters. This is the key step. Here, you can set up specific rules to stop certain emails from going into your spam folder. For instance, if there's a sender whose messages frequently end up in spam, type that person's email address or their domain name in the filter criteria. Once you've set up your filter details, make sure to save the filter. This step is crucial as it activates the rules you've just created. From now on, emails that match your filter conditions will automatically bypass the spam folder and appear safely in your inbox. And that's it. So that is how you can stop emails from going into spam in Yahoo. So that's all for this video. Thanks.